Okay. Hello students, good morning. Okay, today I am going to teach you about civics. The civics first chapter name is equality. Equality is very important nowadays in the modern generation. From to start to begins we need equality. Equality என்ன நம்ம ஒற்றுமை வாழ்றது அதுதான் equality. ஒற்றுமையா இருக்கிறது it is called a equality. So in the equality how it should be going to perform in our life. Okay, so in that we can see the one of the in the textbook they show some of the picture. In the picture one man asking one lady, you look so tired, you look too tired, means so tired you are looking today. The lady is saying, yes, heavy work in office, I have heavy work, so I am looking very tired today. Let's share house chorus. நம்ம வந்து வீட்டுக்கு போகும்போது let's share it and we can chorusly we can move to the house side. பேசிட்டே போலாம். Wow, that's great. என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Okay, that's great. So அதுல வந்து introduction. In the introduction they talks about the nature. The nature how it's made. எப்படி அது பண்ணிருக்காங்க? Nature means how the nature has made the man. It's a unequal and color also different, height also different, the talent also different. Talent, the physical looking and the strength. These are the things which the man did not have equally. It have the unequal. It is a unequal. So looking back unequal, I can't rectify myself because I am looking myself how I am like that I am looking. But some other person as it is same how I am like that as it is same person can look like to me. No, it's not possible because God is giving to everyone has different shape, different colors, different talent, different physical looking and everything. Strength also is based on the body. Okay, so man here they are even the twins means you know rectangular looking like a similar are not equal in their abilities. அவங்க வந்து சேமா தான் இருப்பாங்க. இப்போ twins னா என்ன ரெட்டை பசங்க என்ன looking like a same only but they have the equality is அவங்களோட abilities எப்படி இருக்கும் changes இருக்கும். How it will be man made inequalities on the basis of caste. இப்போ வந்து example man made equalities. Man made how it is based on the equalities. What is the equalities here means they talks about the what is that? First is caste, second is religion, third is language, fourth is economic and etc. So man has made the inequalities between the caste, religion, language and economic. So we can't rectify that. நம்ம வந்து இது rectify முடியுமா? எல்லாரும் ஹிந்துஸ் ஆக முடியாது, எல்லாரும் முஸ்லிம் ஆக முடியாது, எல்லாரும் சிக்கா ஆக முடியாது. அவங்களுக்கு caste என்ன, அவங்களோட religion என்ன, then only they follow. We want to respect the other religion, whether they Hindus, whether they Muslim, whether they Sikh, whether they Sai, whether they Jainism or whether they are Buddhism. நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஈக்குவலா ட்ரீட் பண்ணணும், ஈக்குவலா ரெஸ்பெக்ட் கொடுக்கணும். we can't dominate the other caste. Okay, it is in our India. So after that accept that people are differed in their capacities, abilities, attitudes etc. but at the same time it also accepted that they should be given the equal opportunity for the development of their skills and talents. இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம caste பார்க்குறது இல்லை, நம்ம இந்தியாவில் ரிலிஜன் பார்க்குறது இல்லை, லாங்குவேஜ் பிகாஸ் we can differ பண்ணுறோமா, டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணுறோமா? நோ. நம்ம என்ன பார்க்குறோம், அவங்களோட டேலண்ட் பார்க்குறோம், அவங்கள இது பார்க்குறோம், எபிலிட்டிஸ், then only we can hire for the jobs. ஓகேவா? அவங்க டேலண்ட் பார்க்காம யாராவது ஜாப்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்களா? நோ, because they show their talent, their skills, then only they know about them. Okay, this is the introduction about the equalities. So next is what is equality? See here, what is equality? So what is equality? Equality is ensuring the individuals or group, individual na tanya or group of form panni that are not treated differently. They are not treated differently or less favorable on the basis of specific protected protagonist is not like that. It is whether the race, the gender, and disability, religion, belief, sexual orientation, and last is age. So what is equality? We can't protect or say them, okay, I am saying the individually I am protecting them or grouply I am protecting them. No, not like that. Whether it is a race or gender or disability, whether they are handicapped, they can't hear, they can't see, they are the blind, they are the deaf or the dumb, like that. Disability, religion, belief, and sexual orientation plus age also. These are the things which we can't individually or grouply we are protected. Okay. So according to the Professor Lesky, what he is saying means, see, equality does not mean that the identity of treatment, the sameness of reward. What he is saying, we can't identify what identity he is, how we are treatment to be that person, or same or equal different. We can't give the reward also. So it means first of all absence of social privilege. First, we want to say all the absence of the social awareness. In the second mean that it is an adequate opportunity. It is an equal opportunity to let upon to all. It is a equal opportunity to let upon to all. Equal opportunity to or let upon to all. Okay, saying by the Professor Lesky. So what is the importance of equality? What is the importance of equality? Here, what is the importance of equality? Equality is a powerful moral and political ideal. It is the importance of the equality is, it is a powerful also, it is a political ideal also, that has inspired by the guided the human to the society for many centuries. Many centuries they guided so many for the humans. கைட் பண்றது எப்படி நம்ம வந்து ஒரு சொசைட்டில இருக்கணும், சமுதாயத்துல வந்து எப்படி நம்ம வாழணும், how we want to live it from the century, from the ancient to modern period, they are guiding. The concept of the equality invocates means we want to say that the idea that all the human beings are equal, all the human beings are equal and worth and regardless of their caste. என்ன சொல்றாங்க, all the human beings are, மனிதர்கள் எல்லாரும் என்ன ஒற்றுமையா இருக்கணும், whether there is a different caste or color or gender or race or nationality. So the democratic ideals, what is the democratic ideals means such as liberty, freedom. Liberty means freedom, equality, etc. So are the meaningful and effectively which only they are implemented with the justice. Okay, so these are the importance of the equality. What is the kind of the equality I will teach you in the next class. Thank you.